Jesus Christ. Oh my God, it actually works. Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. I mean, if it worked on that, it'll fix this too, right? Okay. No. What's up, guys? I don't think you can hear me over Tyler spraying over here. You do this, I swear to God. I don't know what to say other than welcome to the bar. The world's under quarantine, our cars are dirty, there's some canyon cruises to do, some shoots to do, and some talking to do about speed. Ah, yeah! Got the speed out here, got our front mount all finished up, our turbo is all finished up. Pretty much, we're still tuning and data logging, but we're almost there. It's starting to feel really good. So this car has been a mess since we did the whole kit and everything. So it's time to wash her down, get her all detailed and make her look pretty. So I figured I'd bring you guys along with. Times are tough right now for everyone. So hopefully I can bring some smiles to all of our faces, including my own. It's been hard. Yeah, let's get to washing and doing car stuff.
Put it on this one.
This one? You look great, bud. Look at that face. Oh yeah. Professional. So Ciara loves washing my car. She never lets me actually wash my own car, which is kind of really annoying. What do you have to say for yourself?
It's fun.
I think I want to try to detail the engine bay too, now that we got everything in. There's also a new part under there that I installed off camera that I'll show you. It totally changed the whole look of our bay. It's doing good so far. This thing's just filthy. The inside's filthy. We had all those parts sitting in there. It really needs to get cleaned. We're still in the tuning process, so it's not crazy power yet. Right now we're making like almost 20 pounds boost. That's it. Pretty rad stuff. I've just been kind of detailing the engine bay just because it really needs it, especially with this really awesome valve cover I had powder coated. I think the blue totally looks amazing. And the intake manifold's actually powder coated as well. It's kind of hard to see, but it's you can see the sparkle in it. It's like a gunmetal sparkle. It's just super pretty. I like it. And then I did go ahead and get a new intake. I know that you guys probably hated seeing my old one, the filter, the black one that was totally used. It's all matchy now. It's looking really nice. I'm really about it. Down below, I still need to wipe down my intercooler a little bit maybe. It's looking pretty fantastic actually. Never mind, it's good. I'm looking super pretty. I'm about it. And then I want to show you guys too, the previous owner messed up. Tried to plasti dip the badging. You can kind of see it on there still. He used 3M tape and a whole bunch of other things to try to put it back on after plasti dipping it black like this. I just ended up taking it off because it looked really bad. I think it looks okay for the most part now that it's all wiped down. It's not as bad. Car's looking good. It's looking clean. And he also plasti dipped the wheels, so don't hate on me for that. That was not my doing. I think I hear Tyler. Did I hear you?
Uh-huh. I hope so.
Yeah, I think I did.
Leave a comment if you did.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I'll edit the audio for you, bud.
Thanks.
Tyler is much better at detailing than I am.
You're right.
Yeah.
I offered my help and he told me no, so.
I didn't say no. I said I'd appreciate it.
Nah.
Nah, that's not what I said.
That's summed up what you said.
Come on now. Come on. Look at this guy. Being so meticulous with all of this.
Yeah, I hate it.
Hates
And
it.
it sucks because I'm on the glass right now and I clean windows for my job. So you can imagine how this is going.
He's getting it really pretty.
Yeah, that's what I do. Can't help it, you know, just perfectionist. Can't stop, won't stop.
His car's coming out really nice. I'm gonna hit the vacuums here in a second. The wife is just kind of detailing the inside of the Speed right now.
Oh, I'm really stupid.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why?
So, here, come here. Read this. Wash and wax. For half the car, I didn't realize that I had to wipe it off because I just didn't think that it was wax. I thought wax is like, yeah, it's gonna make it shiny. No, completely opposite.
I mean,
So that's what I'm going back and doing right now. I know, I didn't think about it. I'm dumb.
not dumb.
You can tell me that, it's okay.
It's just a little forgetful.
Oh, you're very forgetful, actually.
Okay, it's good. You're doing great. It's looking way better than my job, so don't worry about yourself.
Hey man, I can help you out.
I'd appreciate it.
Okay.
See, I told him. Yeah, look at this, guys. Speed's back here, looking all pretty. So hyped. Let me know if you guys are liking this content, this vlog stuff. I mean, for a lot of us, there's not really much we can be doing with everything being quarantined. So, just trying to just keep the vibes up, you know? Stay positive. Things are doing okay in life. It's not great, but it's okay. Just make the best of it. Yeah, let's go ahead and let's vacuum out the Speed because it's got so much debris and crap in it from when we did the turbo and everything. Never revved the Speed before, and it's finally to the point where I can rev it a little bit. And I think we should test out this exhaust.
Yay.
Here you go.
Yep. Give her the sauce. Sounded pretty good.
Oh, that's aggressive. Oh my god.
Yes.
Look at that smelly. Oh.
Look at his douche pipe. Such a douche.
I wasn't the one who put this on here, okay?
Yeah, but you left it on.
Alright, I'm gonna try it back up and it's gonna be aggressive still. Because clutch.
Look at me, I have a race clutch. Oh, I'm so cool. If you're a Children of Bodom fan, you already know.
My boy.
Guess I'll try and rev mine.
Do it.
So, just, my car's quiet.
It's not that quiet.
It's quiet.
I like it.
I like the tone, but I don't like the volume.
Oh my god. This thing sounds so dope, especially his bypass valve. Love it. Yeah, dude, I love the way that thing sounds. I really do.
It's so quiet from the inside.
Yeah, a
I
little.
don't really know if it's that loud from the outside.
You'll tell in the video, for sure.
'Cause I have the back muffler delete, but I still have the massive resonator
Yeah,
stock exhaust. So
true.
tone's there, but volume's
The bypass valve sounds nuts, dude. You can't even hear mine.
really.
Yeah, well, I couldn't hear it when I was revving it all. Yours, you can hear like no tomorrow.
It's there.
This wow.
Hi! Hi!
God, it's starting to get cold.
I'm gonna go vacuum. Hey, I'm really good at detailing.
He is. He really is. What do we got? Is that a Landmark grill? Yeah.
Making me pay for this?
Yeah.
Wow. A whole dollar for 6 minutes.
Made it to the shot spot.
Just waiting for a cop to show up.
Yeah, you know. But check this place out, man. It's so cool. I don't know if it's picking it up, but the lighting is so unique. I love it. So we're just out here taking some shots, having some fun, just enjoying the night, trying to make the best of things right now. Cars are all cleaned up, nice and pretty, getting some pretty shots. I love this spot. I've always wanted to come here and take some shots. Look at that, dude. That's so cool. I don't know if it's gonna pick it up or not, but it's so nice. I'm sure we'll get the actual pictures.
Snapchat quality.
Right? Yeah, I see that. It's so cool with the lighting, how it actually reflects. Like, you see that? Love it. We kind of forgot to film an outro by accident. Oops, that happened. But I just want to give you guys a huge thanks for watching, all that stuff. I say it each time, but you don't have to subscribe, you don't have to like or anything like that. If you do want to, I'd appreciate it. I'm just really trying to grow this channel as best as I can. I am seeing a lot of jumps and things, so that's cool. I really appreciate it. I'm hoping that this means I'm doing something right somehow. I don't know. But I've got another video coming up that's gonna be pretty cool, doing some coilovers, not on the speed, but on a secret project that's not mine. So keep an eye out for that. As I always say, guys, I'm just having fun.